Hi designers, I quickly want to show you how I created this dress. Let's get started. All right, so first I draped some of the lace where I wanted to be placed on the dress form. And now I uploaded the image, I have it on my right side. All right, we're gonna get the circle. Let's create a big pattern, and that's gonna be for the top part, for the neckline part. I'm gonna place it like so. Make sure you adjust it. Okay, this is good. And now I'm going to copy and paste and create basically a smaller one for the neck. Offset as internal line. Okay. And then you click on the line and then you create a hole. Simulate. All right, the opening part is too big, so I think we will need to make it a little smaller. And also the circle inside has to be smaller. Okay, simulate again. And there you are. Now let's create a rectangle. We will create this ruffle part that goes like a turtleneck on the neck part. I'm going to wrap it around the neck using the points on the avatar. And now I'm going to sew the edges to my interior circle like so. And simulate. I think this looks pretty great. Maybe make the circle a little bigger. And using the internal lines, I'm going to create these lines on the side so I can cut again the pattern on the sides. So click on the internal lines, click right and cut, or cut and sew. Now I have 4 quarter circles. And now I can sew them. This is going to be better for when we create the ruching effect. Now we will need to create the details for the ruching. So I can click on the line and offset as internal line. And I will do this with all. All right, now I have all of them. Once I have the shape that I want, I can select all the internal lines and I'll go to elastic, click on and simulate. Strengthen this part. We will do the same for the back as well. And now I'm going to go to connect and choose a fabric that's more of a meshy type of fabric and very similar to fabric that I have draped. Okay, this is it. And I think it looks pretty cool and sheer and pretty similar to the ones that I have. You can also adjust the fabric. the pattern of it. And I think this is appropriate. So I go back to elastic. All the internal lines need to have this elastic on, and you can even play with the ratio. Like I did mine to 60 or 70%, and you see how it gathers and it creates this realistic ruching effect. I also created these internal lines, to create more gathers on the fabric. As you can see, it works very effectively. And you can increase the thread thickness. Now I'm going to create a different ellipse for the turtleneck part of it. And I'm following the exactly same procedure. And this is how you create the ruching. Let me know if you want me to create more details about this.